Proportional Relationships Worksheet, questions 1 through 6. I'm going to walk you through each section of this worksheet. I'll do a couple problems from each section so you know what to do. For 1 through 6, you're finding the slope. To find the slope, you're going to use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I went ahead and I went for each point x1, y1, x2, y2. I just labeled the first point the 1s and the second point the 2. You could do it the other way, but that's just how I labeled it. Okay, so I'm going to start with question number 2. For question number 2, I want to do y2. y2 is right here, 25, minus y1, which is right here, which is 9. So 25 minus 9 is in the numerator. In the denominator, I start with x2. x2 is this 5 minus x1, which is 1. Now, you're going to put it in your calculator exactly how it looks. So I'm going to start by pressing the fraction button, and then I'm going to put 25 minus 9 in the numerator, and 5 minus 1 in the denominator, and I get 4. So the slope for number 2 is 4. You can ignore the other lines there. Okay. Now I'm going to do number 3 with you. So again, the formula is y2. y2 is right here. That is 2 minus y1, which is right here. So that would be 2 minus 5 in the numerator. On the bottom, you take x2. That's x2 right there. So that's 14 minus x1, which is the 23 right there. And again, you're going to put this in your calculator exactly how it looks. So start with the fraction button. 2 minus 5 in the numerator. 14 minus 23 in the denominator. Now, remember, press that button that's right beside the equal sign, and it'll change it to your fraction. So my answer to number 3, the slope is 1/3. You want your answer in fraction form. You do not want it in decimal form. And it can even be an improper fraction. We want it in fraction form, not decimal form. All right, I'm going to do one more with you. I'm going to do number 6. All right, for number 6, I'm going to take y2, which is -1, minus y1, which is -6. Now you got to be careful here. It's minus -6, so I need to put the -6 in parentheses. On the bottom, x2, which is -3, minus x1, which is 12. So again, I put this in my calculator exactly how it looks. -1 minus, and then I'm going to put my -6 in parentheses. On the bottom, -3 minus 12. Again, press that button, and I get -1/3. So my answer to number 6, slope equals -1/3. Okay. So I did 3 of them with you. Okay. You're going to do 1, 4, and 5 on your own. 1, 4, and 5 on your own. If you have any questions on 1 through 6, please let me know.